Brady, aren't you gonna say hi to everybody? Well, let's just get started. He is dying for this. An adorable little Valentine's Day box. Here's actually a coupon. We have treats. So these are Clucky jerky sticks, chicken recipe with sweet potatoes, and the dogs just love them. Wakey Loops, bacon and cheese recipe. And then they also get a beef recipe chew stick. It's grain-free. It's a large chew because they know Brady's a large dog. You can do it based on what size dog you have. So then we have a Squeaky's Peanut Butter Farts. Smells like love. And then on the back side, it has a Chewtrition Facts, squeezing size fart, total fun, chocolate peanut butter. So this is just a really soft plush toy. So these are what Brady loves. And then we get a second plush toy. Now, I know, bud. And it says, "You're bearable." And it's just this really adorable little Valentine's Day themed toy. You can hear it. Squeaks. So this is what the box looks like. It just has some cute little themed Valentine's Day. So this is what was in our February bark box. We got 2 bags of treats and a little coupon. And there's the chew stick. And then which are Brady's ultimate favorites, these little squeaky plush toys. And then here's the box that it comes in. So we're gonna try out these treats. Sorry if all you can hear is Brady panting. Brady, shake, shake. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Do good boy. That's a good boy. Clucky jerky sticks. Let's see what those look like. So they're these long sticks. Ready? Oh, you got it. Good job. The beef recipe large chew stick thing looks like. Do you want this? Okay. Go. Come here. Bring it up here. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time. Brady's been waiting impatiently for his bark bark. So the box barks. Okay. And then